Meaning of indicator.
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 Indicator. The term indicator refers to something that provides information or evidence about a particular condition or trend. An indicator can be physical, such as a thermometer reading, or abstract, like an economic indicator. Indicators are often used in various fields, such as business, economics, and environmental science, to help people understand and interpret complex phenomena. By analyzing indicators, individuals and organizations can gain insights into trends, patterns, and potential risks, which can guide decision-making and inform actions. In short, indicators are essential tools for measuring, evaluating, and predicting various aspects of the world around us.